This is a video for installing your L connector. Here's everything you will need. You will need your dock. You can have either a V2 or a V1. The V2 will have a green light on the side. A power harness. And the L connector. There is a micro USB cable and port on the ends of the L connector. Disclaimer: the cable guide is necessary for installation to prevent any future permanent damage. Take your power harness and install it to your battery. The red wire goes to the positive terminal and the blue wire goes to the negative terminal. Take your L connector and lift the cable guide. Take the micro USB cable end of your power harness and connect it inside to the L connector. Then fit the cable guide. Lift the cable guide on the right side of your dock. If it is mounted, use the mount handle or an Allen wrench to adjust the dock in a better position for you. Set the micro USB cable end of the L connector at a right angle. Install it into your dock and close snug the cable guide. To test, install your TT800V onto the dock and power on. If everything is installed correctly, the TT800V should show a charging battery symbol. For the V2, follow the same steps. The green light should illuminate if installed correctly. For any questions or concerns, you can contact us at helpdesk@jacs-solutions.com.